In this video, we will install, test, and uninstall Docker on a Debian 13 system. First, we make sure our package list is fresh, so we get the latest software versions. We do this by updating the package list. Now install some prerequisite packages that help us fetch Docker from its official source. Next, we add Docker official GPG key. This ensures the software we get is authentic and safe. We tell our system where to find Docker packages by adding Docker repository to our sources. Now that we added Docker repository, we need to update the package list again to include Docker packages. Time to install Docker itself, the engine that runs your containers. At this point, Docker is installed and ready to use. Let's check the installation to make sure. The quick way to verify the installation is checking the version. Also, to test Docker with a real-world tool, we will run the official Nginx web server container. The server is now running inside a container. Let's check if it works by fetching the default web page from it. We can list all running containers to confirm our server container is active. Now we stop the container to clean up. Remove the container to free the space. Now, if you want to completely remove Docker from your system, you can follow these steps. First, stop and disable Docker and containered services. Then uninstall Docker packages and clean dependencies. Be careful, because the next action is irreversible and deletes all Docker data, including images, containers, volumes, and configs. To remove Docker repository list and GPG key, we delete these two files. Now we delete the Docker user group too. We can clean any remaining Docker configuration file by removing this directory. Finally, we check that Docker is fully removed from the system. And that was the whole process of installing, testing, and completely uninstalling Docker in a Linux machine. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our website. Also, we help instructors create videos and educational materials for their own students. So if you need videos like this for your own channel or platform, check the first link in the description. Thanks for watching.